Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use Shopify with Printify. Step 1. Log into your Shopify store admin. Step 2. Go to the Shopify App Store and install the Printify app. Step 3. Open the Printify dashboard and connect your Shopify store by clicking Connect and approving the access. Step 4. In Printify, choose a product to customize. And step 5. Use the design editor, upload your artwork or use built-in templates. Step 6. Set product details. Set your titles, description, pricing, and variants. Step 7. Preview mock-ups and adjust the positioning or colors as needed. Step 8. Publish the product. Click Publish and Printify sends it automatically to your Shopify catalog. Step 9. Test ordering. Place a test order in Shopify to ensure Printify receives the order correctly. And step 10. Manage your orders. When a customer buys, Printify will handle printing and shipping. Check your Printify dashboard for order status and tracking info. And that's it. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.